Affirm's purchasing power is the estimated amount you can spend using their Buy Now, Pay Later service based on your payment history, credit profile, and open balances. It ranges from $50 to $17,500 for pay in four interest-free payments over 6 weeks, or monthly financing, 0 to 36% APR. Check it via the Affirm app, iOS or Android, or website. No hard credit check required, just a soft pull. The process takes 2 to 5 minutes. Log into Affirm. Download the Affirm app from the App Store or Google Play Store or visit affirm.com. Sign in with your email, phone, and password. If new, sign up with name, DOB, and last 4 SSN digits. Access purchasing power. In the app, tap Shop or Card. Check purchasing power. On the website, go to My Account. Purchasing power. You may need to verify identity via SMS. Enter purchase details. Input an estimated amount, for example $500, and select a merchant, like Walmart. Choose Pay in 4 or monthly plan. Review results. The app shows your available spending power for that plan or merchant. Limits vary by store and plan type. Results update instantly based on eligibility. Test with checkout. Shop at a partner site, for example Amazon.com. Add items and select Affirm at checkout. The exact limit appears before confirming the plan. Tips: pay on time to boost limits. Late payments, fees up to 8, reduce it. Check before big purchases. Limits aren't fixed. Contact support at 1-855-423-3729 or app chat if limits seem off.